Unplanned downtime can be costly and disruptive. What if you could prevent failures before they happen? With DreamzCMMS AI-powered Preventive and Predictive Maintenance, you can keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently. DreamzCMMS Preventive Maintenance schedules routine inspections and servicing before failures occur, automating maintenance planning based on time, usage, and compliance to keep assets in peak condition and prevent costly breakdowns. Predictive maintenance takes it further, using IoT sensors and AI-driven analytics to monitor real-time performance. By detecting early warning signs like overheating, abnormal vibrations, or excessive wear, DreamzCMMS predicts failures before they happen, enabling proactive action when a potential issue is detected. DreamzCMMS automatically generates a work request and assigns it to the right technician. No delays, no guesswork, just seamless maintenance execution. With a data-driven approach, DreamzCMMS helps you extend asset life, optimize maintenance schedules, and eliminate unplanned downtime. Take control of your maintenance strategy. Prevent failures before they happen with DreamzCMMS.